Hello guys, today we are going to see the top 10 most educated Thai BL actors. Thai BL actors are one of their finest actors. Their acting is a really top notch, but beside this they are also super literate. So talent and beauty and brain is the real combination that defines the Thai BL actors. A lot of Thai BL actors are like really super educated with university degrees, and some are like architects, engineers, doctors, etc. So let's see the list of them. Tulpakorn. He is an actor, model, and architect. Known for his roles in the BL series like Manner of Death, Together with Me and Bad Romance. He is graduated in the Faculty of Architecture, earning second-class honors. He graduated with a Masters of Science in Real Estate Development at Columbia Graduate School of Architecture, Planning and Preservation in July 2023. New Sapasit. A superstar of BL industry is a Thai actor, singer-songwriter, producer, and CEO. Known for his BL series like Thantype, What the Duck, many more. He did his major in industrial engineering. He was a rank holder in Chulalongkorn and continued to pursue his masters in industrial engineering at Chulalongkorn University. Jimmy Jitarafol Potiviho. He is very well known actor of Thai industry, BL industry. He is known for his role in BL series like A Sky, Vice Versa, and his successful BL drama recent one is Last Twilight. He is a doctor who has specialized in dermatology. He holds a bachelor's degree from the Faculty of Medicine at Chiang Mai University. New Thitipum. A very known BL actor who does not require any introduction. KN known for his roles in BL series like Cherry Magic, Dark Blue Kiss. He has completed his electrical engineering and he has also done his MBA in commerce and accountancy. Mix Sahafap. A BL actor. He is known for his main role in the BL series named A Tale of Thousand Stars and Fish Upon the Sky. He is veterinary doctor. Posh Sitha Kanchana. Posh, who is known for 2024 BL series City of Stars, is an actor. In 2020, he graduated with his Doctor of Dental Surgery degree. Tai Tavan. Known for his roles in BL series like Dark Blue Kiss and Cherry Magic. He took up a bachelor's degree in chemistry from the Faculty of Science at the Chulalongkorn University before he shifted and graduated from the Faculty of Economics. Anand Wong. Known by his name Yin, a well-known BL actor known for the role in the BL series Love Mechanics, where he played the male lead character. In 2021, Yin completed his bachelor's degree in computer engineering and graduated with first-class honors. Bible. Known for the BL series Kinposh the series, where he played the role of Vegas. Has a degree in mechanical engineering from Thammasat University.